So in this lecture, we will discuss some of the problems related to the calculation of acceleration of fluid, because these problems are very important from the semester end examination point of view. From that's why we are focusing on these calculations. For doing these problems on acceleration, you need to know the differentiation. If you know the differentiation of a function, it is very easy to solve the problems. Let, let us straight away go into the problems. Problems related to the calculation of acceleration of fluid. The velocity vector in a fluid flow is given as v is equal to 4x cubed I minus 10x square yj plus 2tk. Find velocity and acceleration at 2, 1, 3 and time t is equal to 1. So in the equation, v is equal to 4x cube I minus 10xy square 10x square yj plus 2tk. So if I write it, general form of the velocity equation is v is equal to ui plus vj plus wk. So taking this, now what is u is equal to 4x cube? What is v is equal to minus 10x square y? And what is w is equal to 2t, right? So if you're taking this, then actually already points he has given t x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 3, t is equal to 1. Substituting it in this, then automatically you can get as u is equal to 4 into 2 cube, basically 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8, 4, 32 units. Then v is equal to minus 10 into 2 square into y is equal to 1. So 2 and 4, 4 into 40 minus 40. Then w is equal to 2t, 2 into 1, 2. So then actually v is equal to square root of u square plus v square plus w square. If you put it total, then automatically we will get this 32 square is 1024, 40 square is 1600 plus then w square 4. If you do it, total calculated, it is going to be 51.26 units. So that is regarding the velocity. But most important term for us is the acceleration. Acceleration is equal to, we know that ax is equal to u dou u by dou x plus v into dou u by dou y plus w into dou u by dou z plus dou u by dou t. Similarly, ay is equal to u into dou v by dou x plus v into dou v by dou y plus w into dou v by dou z plus dou v by dou t. And similarly, az is equal to u into dou w by dou x plus V into dou W by dou Y plus W into dou W by dou Z plus dou W by dou T. So now given is, for example, U is equal to 4x cube, right? Therefore, dou U by dou X is equal to, right, 12x square. Dou U by dou Y is equal to 0. Dou U by dou Z is equal to 0. Dou U by dou T is equal to 0. Then V is equal to minus 10x square Y. Therefore, dou V by dou X is equal to minus 20xy. Dou V by dou Y is equal to minus 10x square. Dou V by dou Z is equal to 0. Dou V by dou T is equal to 0. W is equal to 2T. W is equal to 2T. Therefore, dou W by dou X is equal to 0. Dou W by dou Y is equal to 0. Dou W by dou Z is equal to 0. Dou W by dou T is equal to 2. So these are the calculations. Now substituting all this in that equation. So the AX is equal to U into, for example, U into U is actually 4x cube into dou U by dou X is 12x square plus dou V and dou U by dou Y is equal to 0. Then all remaining 0. So naturally all remaining. So AX is equal to 4x cube means 4 into 2 cube into 12 into 2 square. So if you calculate this, you are going to get AX is equal to 1536. Similarly, AY, AY is equal to basically what we will write U into dV by dx, dV by dx, U 4x cubed into minus what is dou V by dou X minus 20xy, okay, plus V into V is minus 10x square y into dou V by dou Y is minus 10x square, right? The other terms are 0 plus 0. So it is 4 into 2 cubed into minus 20 into 2 into 1 plus minus 10 into 2 square into 1 into minus 10 into 2 square. If you calculate all this, you are bound to get AY is equal to 320. AY is equal to then AZ is equal to, if you calculate do U by dou W by dou X 0, dou W by dou Y 0, dou W, only last term is there. Last term is AZ is equal to basically the last term is it is going to be 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. So it is AZ is equal to only 2. So the solution is A is equal to 1536 into I plus 320 into J plus 2K. So our A is equal to square root of 1536 square plus 320 square plus 2 square. You calculate all this, we are bound to get 1568.9. So this is the problem basically. So most important thing in this problem is writing the equation properly for the AX, AY, AZ, and then calculation of the derivations. Actually, all the derivations, if you see systematically one after the other, we have calculated. Then you see, then then the substitution of the values in that. So let us take another problem in the same area. So again, the next problem is a flow field is given by a flow field is given by v is equal to x square yi plus y square z j minus 2xyz plus yz square into k. Prove that it is a case of it is a case of steady, incompressible fluid flow. This is first problem. Second problem, calculate the velocity and acceleration at 2, 1, 3. So this is the problem. So let us take one by one. Again, I already mentioned V is equal to Ui plus Vj plus Wk. So here in our problem, U is equal to x square y, V is equal to y square z, and W is equal to minus 2xyz plus yz square. So this is what is given. So based on that, first thing is, so it is a case of flow. That means it is a case of fluid flow. That means the equation has to satisfy the equation has to satisfy continuity equation. So what is continuity equation? Dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y plus dou w by dou z is equal to 0. So what is dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou x is equal to 2xy. Dou v by dou y is equal to 2yz. Then dou w by dou z is equal to minus 2xy, right? Minus 2yz. So now if I substitute in this continuity equation, then dou u by dou x is equal to 2xy plus 2yz minus 2xy minus 2yz is equal to 0. Therefore, continuity equation satisfied. So therefore, it is a case of possible fluid flow. Then naturally the next one is the velocity calculation. Velocity calculation is v is equal to square root of u square plus v square plus w square. He has given the point also to, they have given it as 2, 1, 3. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, z is equal to basically 3. So if I take it, what is u is equal to? U is equal to x square y. So that means x square y means 2 square into 1. So it is 4. Then v is equal to, for example, y square z, it is equal to 1 square into z is 3. So it is 3. Then w is equal to minus 2xyz plus yz square. So if I substitute minus of 2 into 2 into 1 into 3, 2 into 2 into 1 into 3 plus yz square means y is 1, z square is 3 square. So naturally it is equal to minus of 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12, right? Plus 9. So it is equal to minus 21. Therefore, v is equal to square root of 4 square plus 3 square plus minus 21 whole square. If you do all this, we are bound to get 21.587. Similarly, let us go to the acceleration. Then again, actually acceleration ax is equal to u into dou u by dou x plus v into dou u by dou y plus w into dou u by dou z plus dou u by dou t is equal to 0. No, sorry, is that's all. So now let us calculate. Already u is equal to x square y, which is already known to us actually. It is 2 into basically x square 2 4. Then already v is known to us. V is equal to this. The second thing is what is v is equal to? They have given y square z. This is 3, and w is equal to minus 2xyz plus yz square. So it is equal to minus 21. So now next our target is dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x is equal to 2xy. So 2xy is equal to 2 into 1, 4. Then dou u by dou y, dou u by dou y is equal to x square, which is equal to 4. Then dou u by dou z is equal to 0. Dou u by dou t is also equal to 0. Therefore, ax is equal to u is 4 into dou u by dou x is 4 plus v is equal to 3 into dou u by dou y is equal to 4 plus dou u w is minus 21 into again dou u by dou z is equal to 0. plus 0. So it is 16 plus 12. So it is 28. So similarly, you calculate for the other ones also. So if you do AY equation also you write and then complete the process. AY is equal to you will get minus 3. Similarly, AZ also if you do in the same way, AZ is equal to you are going to get 123. So therefore, A is equal to AX is equal to 28I plus minus 3 into J plus 123K. So A is equal to square root of 28 square plus minus 3 whole square plus 123 whole square. So if you calculate that, we are going to get the answer as A is equal to 126.18. So this is next answer. So the next question is the next problem is given is the diameters of a pipe. The third problem, the diameters of a pipe. They must pipe at sections 1 and 2. At sections 1 and 2 are 15 centimeters and 20 centimeters respectively. Find the discharge through the pipe if velocity of water at section 1 is 4 meters per second. Determine the velocity at section 2. So the pipe diameter is such that, so this is section 1, this is section 2. This is how the flow takes place. Section 1, section 2, right? So this is D1, this is D2. So D1 is equal to, they have given 15 centimeters. So is equal to 0.15 meters. D2 is equal to 20 centimeters, 0.2 meters. So calculate A1 is equal to 5 by 4 into D1 square. A2 is equal to 5 by 4 D2 square. So calculate A1, A2. Then he has given velocity at section 1 is equal to 4 meters per second. So discharge Q is equal to A1 V1. Already A1 is known, that is 5 by 4 D1 square into V1 is 4. Then calculate Q. Q will be, if you do it, 0.07068 meter cube per second. Then once it is obtained, V2 is equal to Q by A2. If you calculate that, you are going to get V2 is equal to 2.25. So here we will stop.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.